Hey, I am Intruder. Welcome back to the hacking series. In this video, we will show you how to install Kali Linux on Windows machine. But before we get started, I recommend you to go through all the previous videos of ethical hacking series. Links are in the description box. So without wasting much time, let's start installing our hacking machine. There are multiple ways to install Kali Linux. You can dual boot your device or install it into a pen drive, but we will be installing our machine into VirtualBox. This won't harm your previous OS and you would be able to boot your Linux anytime. For this, we will be downloading VirtualBox and Kali Linux ISO file. To download VirtualBox, go to Google and search for Oracle VirtualBox. Click on the first link. This is the official website of VirtualBox. Click on Download VirtualBox. Now click on Windows Host to download it for Windows. Your download will begin in a couple of seconds. I have already downloaded VirtualBox, so I will cancel this one. Now we need Kali Linux ISO file. To download it, go to Google and search for Kali Linux. Click on the first link. This is the official website to download Kali Linux. Click on Download. We will be using installer images in order to customize our Linux. Click on Installer Images. Scroll down and click on the download icon to start downloading. The ISO file is large and will take time to download. I have already downloaded Kali Linux file, so I will cancel this one too. So here are my ISO file in VirtualBox. You can see the version of ISO file in VirtualBox. Let's start installing them. Open the VirtualBox file to install VirtualBox. Wait for a few minutes. You will enter into the Setup wizard. Click on Next. Here you can change the location of installation. Now it warns me to stop background tasks, which requires internet, as the installer may stop the adapter for a few minutes. You may have a step which requires some installation of dependencies. Click on Install. Installation will complete in few minutes. Once the installation is completed, click on Finish. The VirtualBox will start automatically. So our VirtualBox is running perfectly. Now let's install the Kali Linux machine into it. Click on New. It is asking for few details regarding our machine. Here, give your machine a name. You can change the location of the machine as per your preference here. Select the ISO image which we have downloaded from the official website. Now it will automatically detect the type of machine. Let's proceed forward. Here it will ask for amount of RAM and processors you want to give to your machine. You should give at least 2 GB RAM and 2 processors so that your machine works fast and smooth. Now it is asking for amount of storage you want to give to your machine. Give 25 GB or higher. In the next step, it will show you all the details regarding your machine. Click Finish. Now before starting the machine, go to Settings. In general, change the version to Debian 64-bit. Go to Advanced, change Disabled to Bidirectional. In System, go to Processor and enable PA. At last, go to Display, change Graphics Controller to Box VGA. We are ready to start our machine. Click on Start to start our virtual machine. Let's start installing the Kali Linux. Use your arrow keys and select Graphical Install. Here it is asking us for the language we use normally. I will select English. Now select the country you live in. It is asking us for the keyboard variant. Keep it same and continue. It will install some basic components. Give it some time. Okay, so it's asking for host name. Keep it same. Keep the domain name empty and continue. Enter your full name. I will keep it intruder. Now, username. And finally, the password. The VirtualBox will configure the clock automatically. Now it is asking for the way in which you would like to have disk partition. We will use guided use entire disk. Click on continue. We need all the files in one partition, so keep it same. It is showing the summary of partitions which we have made. Just continue. Click on yes and continue. Now it will install the base system of Kali Linux. Wait for some time. Okay, so now I have completed the base system installation. It is asking us for tools and desktop which we want to install. The unselected ones are the desktop which are optional. I recommend you to select both of them, but for now I will keep it same. You may have a step which will ask for default desktop variant. Select GDM3. Remember, this step will only occur if you select these desktop variants. Now it will install all the tools and desktop variant. This step may take longer time. Now to boot your Linux machine, you need to install grub bootloader. Click on yes. Select /dev/sdia and continue. Now wait for some time. So finally you have successfully installed Kali Linux. Click continue to Rebit and enter into your Kali Linux machine. If you want to maximize the window, just minimize the VirtualBox and remaximize it. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your hacking machine. If you have any issue while installing your machine, please let me know in the comment section. In next video, we will be seeing some basic Kali Linux commands. Stay tuned.